So, how has it been since winning the first ever Bitcoin Association Hackathon for you guys?
It's really been a whirlwind. It's been very busy. I've had to sort of quit my day job and really move over to doing this. But it's also been a lot of fun. It's been very rewarding. A lot of people believing in what we do, and I think the good thing about Bitcoin is it's competitive, but it's friendly competition, and we're all hoping to see each other do well.
That is true, and we're hoping for you guys to build more and more to help not just the ecosystem, but the entire world. So, to those who are just tuning in, tell us about UptimeSV briefly, what it is about, what it is made for.
So UptimeSV is a crowdsourced network intelligence platform. It enables enterprise customers to pay really, really small fees for real people to do load time and ping testing on their websites to make sure that they're online. So this is in contrast to if you were to ask Microsoft or Amazon if your website is offline and they said yes, they're probably right. If they say it's online, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're online because they're using a different standard of equipment and internet and DNS to what your end users are using. So we're giving you real, verifiable, honest user data, and it's only possible because we have these really, really low fees. So we're able to send borderless micropayments for these tiny little amounts of work.
And since winning, you mentioned that you've been working so hard. Have you worked with enterprises ever since, and how was the response?
Yeah, so we've been working with a lot of companies who are dealing with, especially in like China and stuff, as well as N-Chain with the scaling test network and all of the projects that they're pursuing. They're all really excited about how they can integrate uptime into their businesses and see how Bitcoin can really solve a lot of the problems with the internet today.
And I understand that you guys have also made some releases recently and about to do more. So let us give the audience some more information about this.
Yeah, so we announced 3 things. One of them is already released, which is Polynym, which is basically a very easy way for you to route addresses to the desired receiver. It just simplifies addressing in Bitcoin. The second thing is Unplanaria, which is kind of like a play on how Planaria handles things, but instead of going like wallet, miner, node, it goes wallet, node, miner. So it's implementing BIP 270 or peer-to-peer transactions, but for apps and services. It's a very efficient way of getting your data from your users and publishing it to the blockchain, and it costs a lot less than some other methods.
And that is actually helpful, especially to those who would want to actually integrate this to the real use case, like for the world.
Yeah, absolutely. The third thing that we're trying to just finish up at the moment is something we're calling data push. So it's a tool to enable people to send really, really large amounts of transactions to chain really quickly. So we've been working with miners and developers trying to get that happening, and yeah, that's almost done too. So that'll be released shortly.
That is amazing. You guys have been doing so many things ever since winning the hackathon. So we wish you all the best, and we hope that you get more projects and get to work with more companies. So thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.